How to undo a swipe on Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to undo a left swipe on Bumble, you need to use the Backtrack feature. This feature allows you to correct the accidental left swipes, and it is available only with the Bumble Boost and the Bumble Premium subscriptions. So in order to use the Backtrack feature, you must have purchased the subscriptions. It is a premium feature available to Bumble Boost and Bumble Premium. So in order to subscribe to Bumble Premium, what you can do is head over to your profile. At your profile page, you can see this premium section. Tap on this. From here, you can explore through different premium packages. You can select the package and proceed to purchase this. After that, the profile you accidentally swiped left on will reappear, which will allow you to swipe again. So that's how you can easily undo a swipe on Bumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.